Hello everyone, my name is Durgapsa Budhwani. This is the continuation series of AWS Cloud Development Kit. In this video, we are going to see how we can install CDK framework. If you are new to this AWS world, then I will highly recommend to watch my this video. The link is here or here, which mention that how you can configure your AWS account and how you can also set up your AWS profile. Once you are done with the basic step, the next step that we need to do for CDK framework is to install Node.js. The link for downloading this Node.js is provided in the description. Once you downloaded Node.js, depending on your operating system, it can be Windows or it can be Mac OS or it can be Linux. Once everything is set up is done, then you can open your favorite terminal, and in the terminal you can run this command. You need to run npm install -g cdk. In my case, the CDK is already installed. That's why I'm running this force command. But since you are doing it first time, then you don't need to kind of run this force command. It will take few seconds to complete the entire setup. Once the setup is done, you can verify the version by running CDK version command. So that's it from this video. In the next video, we can see that how we can utilize this CDK framework for multiple purposes. Thank you.